knowledge gaps are often part of the gap. They don't know something and then they need to know something in order to be successful. But not having the right information is kind of like not having the right equipment or gear. So if I decide to go climb Mount Kilimanjaro and I go to REI and I buy all the gear to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, am I ready at that point to climb Mount Kilimanjaro? We were watching the movie not that long ago of A Walk in the Woods where Bill Bryson did the Adirondack Trail, and it was the same thing where they go and they buy all this really nice gear at REI, and that's great. Like you don't want to try to climb Mount Kilimanjaro without the right boots or the right like cold weather gear for when you're at the top or whatever. You want to have that equipment. It's necessary, but it's not sufficient. And so I think knowledge a lot of times is like that. We've handed you all the gear, but if that's all we're doing is giving you the information, then it's like handing somebody all the gear, but not actually then following up and saying, are you actually prepared to climb a serious mountain? Because I promise you, I'm not climbing Mount Kilimanjaro anytime soon. It would be a bad idea.